Hi, I am Vignesh. Normally, if you want to modify any of these particular faces means you just selecting what is the required thickness. We have 7 mm of thickness. If I want to modify this area, select the sketch, edit it and go to this dimensions, change the dimension under whatever the preferred value, either 5 mm or 10 mm or 7 mm, whatever the required value which I just applicable to the sketches and modify. Look at it. Here we have two or more additional features like a circular faces and solid faces. If I want to modify both the circular thickness, individual one, as well as the overall part thickness based on one single features means how I can able to apply that with the required features called move face. Go to insert, choose face and prefer move face. After that, by selecting offset icon, I am going to prefer right click, select tangency, choose all appropriate faces tangentially, also the circular cylindrical faces, both the two different one. Just changing the parameter, additional offset distance is 2 mm. Once you initialize that, automatically the thickness gets added. Now if you look at it, the thickness of this part is changes from 5 mm to 7 mm at whatever the required locations we have. I am going to know by using a mirror command, just selecting this first is cylindrical edges, that is circular edges, then another circular edges. Then changing the parameters to know the difference of this. It is 7 mm of thickness, same as like outer shell part. Now the thickness is added at one single features. Okay, if you want to learn a lot more design tools with default examples, means just to log on to www.kaluri.in. Under specialized course, we have a course called SolidWorks 2025 Latest Upgrades. Learn top content with relevant examples.